Oh my god. Like, god. Oh my god, like, yes, yes, you saved me. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god.
Small winch. No go see for this compound. Wetin happen? Who beat you? Talk na, you wey dey like, see as you dey like a church project. You no wan talk. Talk na.
Abeg, big mouth. I no get time for this your problem now, abeg. Wetin dey you, abeg.
Who get your time when you wey dey like uncompleted building? Wetin, I just wan know why you dey cry.
Okay. You know that my boyfriend.
Everybody know now.
Hey, he won't propose to me, so I dey practice how I will do when he propose to me.
You only you waka come.
You dey?
Child.
You dey practice.
He shock you.
I'm not sure if God is aware of this country, Nigeria. People wey no reach 3 again, me and 2 others.
Will you keep quiet?
Ndị ụwa. Ahụ ndị onye akọghị.